This afternoon we're going on our next visitor site on the western part of James. This is Puerto Egas. Named after a businessman who started a salt mining industry, and so it was the early 60s and we became a national park in 1959. So Mr. Egas and his business had to go. Today, we're very proud to say that the government of Ecuador made this place a national park, and we have created 70 visitor sites for about 1.5 miles each. It's a very slow percentage. It's less than 1% of the over 3,000 square miles that the Galápagos are.
Okay. Number 42.
You know, I don't know where else you would get to see have this sort of experience other than in the Galápagos Islands, just with how it's been untouched and how wonderful they are about making sure it stays untouched. It's just amazing.
A few places and a few people will change the world forever. One of them is Charles Darwin, and he owned this place. It will always be linked to him. And it makes us very happy and proud to be walking on the same very footsteps that Charles Darwin walked over 100 years ago.